official Ian and Tina's vlog. That's just coming out of the airport.
What's going on? Can you hear it?
Smoked on my Air Force.
You see it? It looks good, man.
Everything I from London. Yeah. None never come from China.
Come on. Watch the foot move now.
Butterfly.
I
see him so many things. Hello,
It's Tina.
Ian and Tina coming at you with our first
Yes.
duo. Yeah, that's it. Happy New Year's Eve. So, as you can hear, music is in the background.
And they're on the party here.
We couldn't go to the party, so
The party's coming
the
to us.
party comes to us.
Yeah, you
You
wanna
know what I
come?
mean?
Come and join us.
And we're doing it Caribbean style.
Yeah.
Of course, you know.
Dance on.
We're flossing. And so we're looking. This is the current situation. You know, it's not 12 o'clock yet, you know, but
We're getting in the mood.
yeah, one for life and nine, taking you guys. The reason why I didn't mute the music is because I want to send the actual vibe so you can feel it, you know. Missing you now.
Whatever you're doing, I hope you enjoy. I mean, in Jamaica,
In
they're
Jamaica.
6 hours behind, so they're still in the sunshine.
Right.
In
They're,
England, an hour behind. So,
Right.
we'll have New Year 2019, which is for all y'all.
yeah. From coast to coast, say that I need her the most. And you just drive me crazy. Now that we are together, come on, it's grab a bunch of roses and I started to go. Here I come. You're promising in your back. Big shot and get on the same night. If I feel like you're promising in your back.
Fireworks coming on. Can you hear it? Can you see it? It looks good, man. They started a little bit early.
We still got another 10 minutes, but you know, we need to go get our bottle.
Yeah.
You know, I know Christmas is already gone, but it's cold outside and I got no hair. You all
I should
know
get my
that.
jacket actually.
Yeah.
I don't want to catch cold.
Okay, let's get it.
4 minutes.
We're gonna exhaust the 4 minutes.
Yeah.
Go down. I'm trying to pimp you out.
That's put my coat on because it's so cold.
We get headaches when we drink champagne,
Yeah.
so we've opted to
Prosecco.
Prosecco.
Yeah. You can have some too. Little mini me's going to get mini you.
Yeah.
He's going to get a glass. You can have a little bit of his Prosecco. He's 17, old enough.
Yeah, people!
Yeah, look at that glass.
That's what's happening.
Come on there. Yay!
Oh!
Oh, 1 minute! 1 minute!
Waiting for Wine for Life to give it that minute.
Yep, as soon as it goes.
So we are going down to the last 50 plus seconds at
Yep.
the moment. In Switzerland, Europe.
Cold as hell.
It's cold, so this is a sacrificial segment. You know?
Doing it for
See,
y'all.
I'm still
Doing it for
wearing
the
my
vlog.
Santa hat.
Doing it for the vlog.
Yeah, doing it for the vlog. Doing it for Ian and Tina vlog. This is our first official Ian and Tina's vlog. With me, happy 20.
Wait.
Can I go any longer?
You have to go buy apple. Happy 2019! Yeah! Wow! Look!
Yes.
Hey!
Pouring this one for you.
Come join us! We got lots of drink.
There we go.
Happy New
Happy
Year!
New Year.
Cheers!
Cheers.
Cheers, family Sabas.
Ian and Tina.
Ian and Tina now, but we are still family Sabas.
Yes, we are. So, we wish you guys a Happy New Year.
Yep. Enjoy the celebrations.
And
Don't get too drunk.
yes, even though we might when we're at home, so we can afford to do that. So once again,
Oh, and enjoy writing 2018 for the next 3 months.
yes, a lot of people will be doing that. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Hello, people.
Welcome to 2019, Ian and Tina.
Yes, this is the premiere. This is the official premiere
Yeah.
of our duo channel,
Yay.
Ian and Tina. I mean, we uploaded a little parody. We just had to. I mean, we liked the movie Bird Box, and we just thought to ourselves, what exactly would let us tempt us to move our arm blindfold? So,
with clothes and
you know,
shoes and
and
everything.
me, without a doubt, I can't have enough of paper,
Paper,
pens, and stationery. At a party, we had a duo party last night. So
Yes.
it's a tradition in our family. Whether it's just me and you,
Yeah,
or
people.
whether we have a dozen people with us,
Yeah.
is what we do every
always
New
fun.
Year. And what we want to do, I did say to you, you gotta, you know, considering our Jamaican heritage, we have
Yeah.
to keep with the Jamaican tradition and the Jamaican superstition.
Of course.
So what we have to do, and we're gonna do it in camp, we are doing a Jamaican tradition
Yeah.
of letting the new year in.
That's right.
So I'm gonna let Wife for Life handle that section. And
So, welcome 2019, coming to the Sabas household.
that's pretty much it. That's us letting in the new year.
Yeah.
So on the agenda today is pretty much food. You know, we're gonna
Yes.
cook.
I've already prepared some salads and things, little nicks and knacks, you know,
Okay.
throughout the day so we can snack on. So.
She just stole the show, you know. I was just about to say to you that I'm gonna be the chef today. You know,
Woo!
no,
Good job.
I'm preparing chicken. You
Okay.
know, we wanted roast beef,
Yeah.
but sourcing roast beef where we live is such a task. You know, so we decided to keep to the Blackman steak.
Chicken.
Yeah, chicken. You can't go wrong with chicken. But my idea of preparing it today is to deep fry, southern
fried chicken.
You know what I mean? And check out not Family Sabas.
Oh.
Check out Sabas Food Channel where you guys can see where I did my eggnog. You know, I will put the link in the bottom
Yeah.
of this video, so I'll put a link there so you guys
Okay.
can see and comment.
And the rum cake is in it too.
Rum cake is on the
Rum cake recipe, Jamaican rum.
rum cake.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
not the one that we did
No,
just
this
now,
is
but
like last year, I think.
yes.
Yeah.
I did say I'm gonna shout out to some friends on cam. So wait, you gotta hold this for me.
Okay.
I did say to Z that I was gonna call her
Okay.
and wish
She
her
can be in the vlog?
yes. And also told Debbie that I'll give her a shout
Yeah.
and let her know what's going on. Because these are people that's going to be in our vlog at some point.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But without a doubt, it's only
So
right
right to
that
hit them up.
yes. So we're gonna create a virtual trio type thing as we vlog. Where's this girl? Hello.
Hey, Zena. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Now you gotta say Happy New Year to my people.
Come on,
Just
Henry.
There we go. So Happy New.
I think some coming out the front row.
Okay, make it Make it quick now. Don't be absorbing up too much our vlog minutes.
We're the stars. We're the stars.
You know, we are the stars. You know, you're just doing an entrance.
Little cameo.
You know. So, where you at? Happy New Year to the
Happy New Year
to the Ian and T.
Let's do that again.
We're gonna do Happy New Year to the Ian and Tina's crew.
Yeah.
Yes, Happy New Year.
Are you telling me or are you telling them?
And everybody, Happy New Year.
Well, you don't sound too enthused. You gotta put some life into that for our people to believe that you're being for real.
Happy New Year, everybody.
Yeah, there she is. Face the camera now. You know, there she is. Alright, Zee, I'll hit you back in a minute because I gotta call 2 other people.
Yep. I'm not gonna call this person, but I know he's watching. And he bought me a nice little gift from Dubai.
Right.
And you know, the watch and earrings and necklace.
Yeah.
So I want to say Happy New Year to you and the family. Nefa, you know who you are.
Shout out to Nefa.
Nefa, Rashid, but I call him Nefa. Nefa is nephew in German, so.
His wife for life salad that she's prepared.
Yeah.
Oh, a lot of salads. Food prepared by Wife for Life from yesterday. This is
This is macaroni and egg salad. That's just a mixed salad, tomatoes, cucumbers, onions. And that is cabbage and sweet corn and onions.
yes.
A new salad, I made that up. Don't copy it.
And this is my chicken that I'm about to
Southern fried.
just gonna make herself a drink.
Yeah, Jack Daniels and Coke, I think.
Okay.
That's where we keep all our glasses.
Yeah, well,
And a
these
few
are our wine glasses and cocktail glasses. So
Yeah. That's better. Uh-oh. Need to roll a
That's
few
one.
inches.
let me get this one closer.
Yeah. Okay, you want ice?
No ice for me. Yeah, I'll have ice. Yeah.
So, get our ice from our little ice freezer. So, we always measure 1 to 2. 1 Jack Daniels to 2 Coke.
Yes. Coca-Cola is different in every country.
Yeah.
And I was watching a documentary that tells you know, how it's made. And it was telling you about the Coca-Cola brand. And it also told you that Coca-Cola is diverse from country to country and continent to continent. I was pretty disappointed about
Me
that.
too.
You know?
I thought Coke was Coke everywhere.
Yeah, but at the same time, I remember when we went to Paris once.
Yeah.
And we went to a supermarket and we got some nachos.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, it was not. Yeah, we bought some nachos and
Yes.
some M&Ms.
Yes.
And we bought this really massive big bag of M&Ms, you know, peanut M&Ms.
Yeah.
And they tasted so good. The chocolate was just. Remember?
It was different.
Yeah.
It was better than M&M's in England.
Yeah.
But for me, the nachos were.
Yeah, they
were-
did taste fresh.
Yes, they
and
did.
crispy.
So, foods are different depending on where you are in the world.
Yeah. But we did say that about Bollinger and Moet.
Yes.
And all those expensive
To drink.
champagnes.
Yes.
Like
We believe
in
that.
Inglewood.
We
It's not the
believe.
same as Beverly Hills.
We believe that the distribution is different from areas to areas, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm gonna relax, gonna do my deep fried chicken. I may feature it in the next vlog, even a photograph of it so you guys can see our
Yeah.
brother throw down.
If
you
we do
know?
it now, it's going to be a long vlog and it won't get to you till later this evening.
Yes,
so
and we want you guys to
Yeah.
get it now.
Right.
So, once again, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, guys.
We wish you guys. Oh, let me take this time to say something. I will take this time to say something sentimentally
Okay.
to you as well as to you, the viewers.
Yeah.
So, you know, I do get sentimental when it comes to New Year's and end of year, you know, because one never knows what the new year holds.
Exactly.
You know, and throughout every year, there are usually a certain level of tragedies, you know, and every year that comes, it does make me feel a sense of pride for gaining one more year of togetherness with you. But at the same time, it also gives me a sense of sadness, because it also tells me that even though it's something to be joyous about, that we have one more year together in a relationship, in marriage, in friendship, it also is the reality of we have one more year less in our existence than we had last year. And for this reason, you know, I would like to take my time out to say on camera how much I love and adore you, you know, and the relationship we share, you know, the family that we have somehow forged together. Because, you know, when you have children, there's no real rules, and you don't have prior experience as to how do you forge a family together, how do you make it work. It
doesn't come in a book,
you know. And we managed over the years, we managed to have, you know, her, myself, and Jay, and keep us happily in love and tight as a family. And we have to take some sense of pride to that. But at the same time, like I say, there's a certain gladness and a certain sadness as we go on into a new year. It gives us one more year as a stronger unit, but it also says you have one more year less than you had last year to be that family and be together and be alive. So with that said, I would like
very nice word.
I would like us to continue to treasure what we have. I would like you guys to continue to treasure what you have, treasure your loved ones, treasure your mom, your dad, your brothers, your sisters, your friends, whoever it is that means something to you, because we're here today and tomorrow is never promised.
Life is short.
Life is short, and we must make the best of it and be as kind and as true to one another as we possibly can. Do not, you know, wallow yourself in the sadness that the reality hits that there's 1 year less than what you had last year, but kind of like embrace the fact that you've been living together, and each year enrich your unity and presents an opportunity to create more loving memories and happiness. So I would rather for you guys to take that out of it more than the simple fact that, oh, well, yes, it's right, you know, I've got 1 year less than what I had. My time gets shorter every day on this earth. You know, we understand that, but focus on the now. Focus on the fact that we're here now, and
we're living, we're alive,
and tomorrow and today.
Take life by the horns.
Yes, exactly, baby. And today and tomorrow gives us the opportunity to create loving memories and more happiness, you know, like we're doing for you guys now, you know. So that was my little sentimental aspect of it. Usually every new year I sit the family down and we talk and remind ourselves to love each other dearly and embrace each other, put up with each other's flaw and try to make it as normal as possible, and not let it be a continuous irritant to you, you know, because we're only people and we will never be perfect in each other's eyes. So perfection to me is when you embrace and accept what was initially deemed as an imperfection.
And make those sacrifices, you know, make those sacrifices for your loved ones. And, you know, you'll have a fulfilling relationship.
Exactly. I mean, we do deem our relationship as fulfilling. We are as happy off cam as we are in cam, you know, because, you know, as you guys can tell, I'm a talker, you know, but I'm also a sentimental talker. I'm a deep thinker, you know, and because of that, I seize every moment to remind her, our friends, our son, that love is an amazing gift, and it should never be taken for granted. So, Ian and Tina viewers, we haven't got a name for y'all yet, but we'll find something. So that's pretty much it for now. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog and enjoy our shindig from last night. You know, we had a ball of fun, and we're gonna sign off by saying ciao for now.
Do it again.
We're gonna sign off by saying cheers. let's cheers too.
Okay.
Okay, take 3. So we're gonna sign off by saying
Cheers.
cheers and
Ciao for now.